I hit a wall, I never felt so low, like a waterfall. My tears dropped to the floor, they left a swimming pool of salty crimes. Oh, what could I do to change your mind? Nothing. I'm bracing for the pain and I am letting go. I'm using all my strength to get out this. I hit a wall. I thought that I would hurt myself. Oh, I was sure your words would leave me unconscious. I hit a wall. I pray that I will make it through, I can survive a life that is without you, yeah. And I will rise up from the ashes now, The sparrow flies with just the crumbs of love and spill, yeah. I was praising for the pain and I am letting go. I gathered all my strength and I found my